Top 8 strategies to grow your online business. With 71% businesses boasting a website in 2023, it's clear an online presence is no longer optional. It's the key for businesses to reach broader markets and grow in a world driven by digital commerce and remote work. Basically, you're either on the web or you're getting left behind. Here are some essential and cost-effective strategies and steps to grow your online business through various marketing channels. Point 1. Define your niche and goals. First things first, narrow down to your specialty niche. What makes your business stand out? Don't try to be everything to everyone. Think about your ideal customer, what problems you solve, and craft a specific niche that really speaks to them. And remember, goals. What are you aiming to achieve? It's the only way to know if your strategies are working. Point 2. Content marketing. Let's be real. Everyone says content is king. But what does that actually mean? It means creating genuinely valuable content, like blog posts, how-to videos, or even infographics. Teach your audience something, solve their problems, and position yourself as the expert in your space. Point 3. SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, sounds fancy, but it means making your content easier for Google to find. This helps you show up higher in the search results, leading to more organic traffic. It's a long game, but so worth it as you get targeted visitors to your site for free. Not sure where to start? DWriting Services provides high-quality SEO-optimized content that helps your website achieve higher SERP rankings and gather high-intent leads. Point 4. Video marketing. Video is huge. It's engaging, shareable, and perfect for explaining complex concepts. Create product demos, tutorials, share stories. Videos help build trust with your potential customers fast. Point 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is your direct line to interested customers. Use it to build relationships, share special offers, and remind people why they should buy from you. Remember, personalization is key. Segment your audience and send relevant content. Point 6. Social media. Meet your customers where they hang out. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. Figure out the best platforms for your audience. Share great content, interact with followers, and use it to drive traffic back to your website. Point 7. Website experience. Your website is your online storefront. Is it fast, easy to use, and does it look good? If not, people will bounce faster than you can say add to cart. So invest in user experience and a website structure that makes sense, both for your visitors and search engines. Point 8. Paid advertising. Last but not the least, paid ads can boost your reach quickly. Use social media ads to target specific audience or Google ads to appear in search results. But be aware, track those results carefully. You don't want ads to eat all your profits. We hope these 8 strategies help you kickstart your online growth journey. Remember, there's no magic bullet. It takes time and effort. Track your progress, adapt your approach, and stay up to date on the latest in the digital world. Need a hand with high-quality, SEO-friendly content for your business? At DWriting Services, we specialize in creating high-ranking content of different types to help you rank higher and attract the right customers. Check out our services section to select your ideal content type, and let's get started. Also, if you like to learn more about the do's and don'ts of content marketing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.